Alrighty. Howdy everybody, I'm out on another break. Hang on. Well, that's why this episode is named what it is, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try this. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't have done that. That was a mistake. Oh well. I'll work around it. Yeah, let me look at that. What should I have done there? See, that would work fine if I had a knight at f6, but I forgot my bishop's there now. Oh. I can try something like this. It's a little awkward, but you know, that would get the knight moving. Only problem is here I'd have stacked pawns. So I was a little clumsy in that game. It really hasn't been my best performance these last few days. I've been doing great at chess club. I went 3-0 last night. 3 wins, 0 draws, 0 losses. I say. It's exactly what I said he was going to do. Yeah, so that was interesting what happened here. I can't stop that pawn from promoting. Check it out. What am I going to do? You know? I'll just move my king, right? You know, it's like, it's nothing I can do to stop it. Oh well. But, you know, I was fairly certain I was going to lose that game. At least I'll be able to pull off a stalemate. There always is that possibility. He's probably going to try this. And again, do not take the bishop. That is a mistake. This would be a pretty good idea. And if he captures, I'll probably take with the king, though I do have the option of coming back with the knight. Probably wouldn't do that. He'd probably do this. I'd castle early, one tempo ahead. Might bring the bishop out. So instead of castling, I might want to come here. And if he comes there, or he might come here, then I'd castle. He'd castle. Get my rook on the center file. Only problem with that, I come here. He comes here with his knight. And then I might come here. We'll give it a try anyway. Okay, that's actually pretty good for me. So he's got to do something, or on the next move I have is queen. If he comes here, that won't help him. If he comes here, that won't help him either. Looks like I can win his queen on the next move without exception. Okay, and once again, hoping for something like this. This can be a challenge. Here, I'd probably come here. He'd be, well, yeah, he'd probably want to come here. Then I probably do this, or, you know, I'd probably do this in preparation. He might still spend one tempo. I can come here. That prevents that. Here he'd probably fianchetto, castle, castle. Alright, there you have it. He stopped it there. So here I'm going to actually take the pawn this way. He's probably going to interpose with the knight. Come up here, fianchetto, here. Well, you know what? See, that's an issue, because then we have that. So if he comes there with the knight, I'd probably first defend here. That was a good move. See, this is an issue right here. Alright, so I'm going to do that. So, if we have this exchange here, he comes here, I can do this, I can do this. Now, if I do this, he'd probably come here. Well, no, probably not. So, we'll just have to see what he does. So that now defends against this. Oh, shoot. That was a mistake. He's got that killer move. Oh, I can defend against that. I can come right here. So now, that's not big. Well, he can still pick up a knight there. Bugger. It's a little awkward with stacked pawns, but I'd rather do that. Yeah, what did I say? He can come and pick that knight pawn up. This doesn't bother me, I'm just down the pawn. Hey, how are you? Alright, so the idea here is I'd like for him to come there, or he'd probably come here more likely. We'll see. And then we have this exchange. I'd probably go this way to maintain the pawn structure over my king. Alright, let's get over to the other games here. Yeah, bugger, he can fork, can't he? Let's see here. I'm okay with that. Alright, I'm actually going to get my king out of this side of the board there. It's a little vulnerable. Looks like I have a forced checkmate unless he takes the... No, even if he does, right? So, say he takes the rook. He can do one thing. He can interpose with the knight. I'm going to do this anyway. Alright, let's see. I don't like how that goes down. going to go through with that. I'll see how far I go. I don't know if I'm going to do that exact line. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to get rid of his rook. Oh, that doesn't get rid of the rook. Shoot. Could do this. What about this? That's no good. There we go. Hey, wow, someone's playing the Pierce defense against me. Alright, I gotta head in.